Hi everyone, this is Anna with Bioz. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the implementations of our Bioz badges that we've done on the Andor technology website, a part of Oxford Instruments. On their product pages, the first thing you're going to see is right up at the top right, they have kind of a citation counter. We call it a Bioz mini badge. It'll show you the volume of citations for the product, and it'll also show you a product rating. Now, the product rating is based on the citation data, so number of references, recency, and so on. If you click on this, then it'll guide you down to the bottom of the page. This is where we integrated the Bioz badge. I'm going to highlight it for you here so you can see the entire badge. This is basically a live feed of articles. So Bioz is feeding the page with all of the references that have specifically cited this product by Andor technology. So you can kind of scroll through the articles one by one. For each article, you'll be able to see the, author names, journal name, date of publication, title of the article. You can also read snippets from the article so you can see where the product is actually referenced in the body text. So we'll highlight the product and then we'll snip a few sentences around it. As you kind of scroll through the widget, you'll be able to see that most of the articles, if not all of them, will have the actual snippet from the publications. Sometimes they'll contain a summary version of this depending on the license. But most of them you'll actually also be able to read the full text. So I click on the read article button right here, and I can actually just kind of scroll through the entire article within the widget. So that's kind of how we display the publications. They update automatically, so you'll see new publications coming in pretty regularly. And then on top of that, you can add a bunch of additional features to these as well. So images are one of them. Obviously for imaging equipment, that's going to be a big add-on. You can basically see anytime the product or keywords related to the product are referenced in a figure legend. You can also add filters, so we can filter by research technique, impact factor, journal, author, and date of publication. There's an option to add a search bar. You can also add like an export feature, sorting feature. Let's say I want to sort by impact factor. I can pull those to the top and then I can see like the fanciest journals. So that's essentially the idea behind the widgets, is the users can spend a lot longer on the page just kind of interacting with the content. Of course, you guys internally do not have to do any work to get the articles on the website. It's all going to be kind of dynamically integrated directly on the product page.